Very historic trees. Welcome back. First off, I want to take a note on poachers. We need this documentary is supported by
not poaching.
California Fish and Wildlife. Stop poachers. That. So we're going up this peak to a hill to show you what real nature is. Those were ancient meteors landed from the skies above us.
Wow, guys, look at this.
Two roads diverge in the Yellow Woods.
We are taking the one less traveled by.
And that is what made all the difference.
You're going the wrong. That one's blocked off.
That's the one where everyone's traveling.
That one's blocked off.
That's the one everyone's traveling on.
What is it? Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
I went to the woods because I wish to have delivered. To front only the essential facts of life, and to see if I could not learn what I had to teach and not what I came to die.
Two roads diverge in the Yellow Woods.
Two worlds. Two worlds diverge into the Yellow Woods. This is a yellow. The decay of nature.
In this moment, it's clear these men's whimsical presence is a gift to the wilderness and its denizens. One can't help but be reminded of the childlike wonder and joy that still exists in this world.
Some parts of nature, though, not very good. We don't like those.
We do not like those. Right here, as we can see, we have the destruction of nature. All this beautiful world being overtaken by humankind. I love our planet.
Miner's lettuce. It originates from the beginning of miners. Tragic. Finally, true nature. I've escaped from society recently, and I've entered what I believe is the peak of humanity.
One.
Two roads diverge in the Yellow Woods. I took the one less traveled by best. And that is what made all the difference.
Wait, which?
Not all nature is in land, though. Some can be found underwater. Water formed a long, long time ago when H2 formed with O to make water.
Go.
What am I saying?
Talk about water.
Water. The key to life.
Talk.
Nature is the gift that surrounds us every day. It often goes unnoticed. But for this boy, the beauty of nature is not lost on him. He marvels at nature's peacefulness and reflects to the trees in the distance. In this moment, he understands the power of nature to soothe and inspire the soul, and he feels grateful to be alive in such a stunning world. Wow, nature.
This cameraman sucks.
A pond over there to ponder upon. At one point, we'll just have you like singing out. Behold the wondrous allures of aqueous splendor, the fluid essence that imbues life with vigor and vigor with life. Water's captivating beauty flows unbounded, a testament to nature's boundless majesty.
As can be seen, nature has a certain effect on the human mind.
Some effects can be positive. Guys, we're actually lost. Here are all natural blue-bellied lizards. They are they originate
Deep in the heart of nature, amid the towering trees and lush foliage, lives a creature that embodies grace and beauty like no other. The deer, with its majestic antlers and gentle demeanor, is a symbol of the natural world's splendor. But as society grows and expands, the deer finds itself facing new challenges. As humans encroach upon their habitat, deer populations struggle to adapt to a world that's rapidly changing. They must contend with cars on roads that once were their trail, and their natural predators are increasingly scarce.
Yo, go up the tree. Parkour. This lake was already turned, but here's a bell.
When friends part ways, they each embark on their own path toward new adventures and opportunities.
I know that sound. In the Claustravarius Sierra, a mystical bird found by one.
Water.
Watch me drop this leaf in there for cinematic effect. Did you see that leaf? Did it add cinematic effect? A squirrel. Rare in our world. Very powerful. It's a bear!
What is this?
Point at 'em.
These are wild deers, native to Northern California. Specifically, we are in Sacramento, California, in the United States of America.
Another deer.
I am out here in the wilderness, showing you
The
very wild natural deers.
very wild.
They eat food.
Let's talk about it.
This is a nuclear. This is a concrete tower made by the Native Americans in 1830s. They discovered concrete in the 1830s, and it says keep off because it's all natural and Native Americans made it.
Dog, what are you saying?